Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change your door lock code. First, locate your lock's programming button, often found on the interior side of the door. This button is usually small and recessed, requiring a pen or paperclip to press. Next, you'll need your current master code, which is essential for initiating the code change process. Having these two items ready will make the process smooth and efficient, ensuring your home's security is updated quickly. To enter programming mode, start by inputting your existing master code on the keypad. After successfully entering the master code, press the small programming button located on the interior side of your lock. You'll typically hear one or two beeps or see a light flash, indicating that the lock is now ready to accept new commands. This step is crucial for ensuring you have proper access to modify the lock settings securely. Now it's time to set your brand new code. Carefully enter your chosen 4 to 10-digit code on the keypad. Remember to pick a code that is easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. Immediately after, re-enter the exact same new code to confirm it. The lock will then provide an audible confirmation, perhaps 2 or 3 beeps, or a green light flash, signifying that your new code has been successfully saved. Before you fully rely on your new code, it's vital to test it thoroughly. With the door open, enter your new code a few times to ensure it consistently unlocks the mechanism. Also, try your old code to confirm it no longer works, preventing unauthorized access. Finally, close the door and perform one last test with your new code. This final check ensures everything is working perfectly, giving you peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.